Hey guys, today I want to do a quick review of this bug zapper that I got on Amazon. So let's do a quick unboxing and show you everything that comes inside the box. So of course, you got your power supply right here. Then we have the unit itself. Looks very nice. On the inside, there's actually the electrical parts of it, to zap the flies. But on the outside, it has a nice plastic shell to stop, grown people from hurting themselves and to stop children from hurting themselves. On top, there's a little dangly piece. So this little piece on top is gonna let me, attach this anywhere. So it looks like it's magnetized. So I could just hook it on something. So say I was gonna hook it on my finger, I would just wrap it around, connect the two pieces. Oh, connect the two pieces right directly on each other, and there we go. Now I can safely hang it wherever I would like, which I think is a pretty cool trick. Now I can just magnetically just attach it, disattach it, and know that it's not going nowhere. So if you click the button auto right here, what's gonna happen is this little sensor in the back, once it's covered and it sees complete darkness, the light will come on. And then once daytime comes on, or the sunlight's on, or the lights are on, it'll go off. So if that's something that's gonna interest you, if you're probably sleeping, hey, if you're outside camping, I just wanna put it on auto, I want it to turn on once it starts getting dark to kill the flies. But then when I'm inside or outside and the sun's beaming, I don't want this thing on. You just click on auto and it'll take care of the rest for you, so you don't have to think about it much. Besides auto, it has a automatic on and off button. So that's to turn it on, just to keep it on. It gives it a nice shining blue light that bugs love to attract and go to. And then if you click it again, you can use it as a regular light. So now it's a regular light that anyone would use at a campfire, just to play some cards or something like that. I'm looking forward to using this just to have some type of light while I'm out, but not getting bit by a bunch of mosquitoes and having to worry about getting bit all the time. So having a light like this is going to be very nice for when I'm outside camping. I can easily plug it up somewhere or plug it up to a battery bank. I can easily attach it somewhere due to the magnet hanging solution at the top. So I can just hang it wherever I like. And I love the fact that I can have the automatic mode, so I don't even have to think about it. Once it gets dark, it cuts on, it kills the bugs. Once it's daytime, it shuts off and preserves the battery. So I love that. Just face towards the light, hey, it's off. Take it away from the light, now it's on. So this is something I'm really gonna enjoy using, especially when I go camping. I hate bugs, I hate mosquitoes. So I'm looking forward to having a portable solution to kill these bugs.